Nick, give me another warranty that comes with a new Mercedes, a new Subaru, or a Motor Trend certified vehicle.
Or Motor Trend.
Well, it's the same for all three of them.
Okay. The fabric in the,
Okay, tell me how that works.
if a female that you have in your vehicle uses high heels.
Or a guy wearing high heels. Still applies. Yeah.
I'm sorry, just can't
Right.
see that nowadays.
Well, sure you can. I think we're supposed to say that.
Yeah, I have my high heels.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Right.
But, yeah, if the fabric in the interior gets cut, teared, or torn, ripped, we will cover it. 2 fixes, as many no, just one time?
Unlimited.
Okay, so that's
The only time a 2 comes into play is number of paintless dent repair visits to the paintless dent repair
Or
person.
scratches as well?
No, I don't think scratches apply.
It's the same thing. It's unlimited.
Unlimited.
Okay, so it's
So unlimited fabric tears.
unlimited.
Okay, what about stains?
Stains, yeah, I believe those are covered as well.
We'll take out the stains too. Okay, good. All right, what's another one, Eric? There you go. There's a smart guy. What's another one?
Cosmetic wheel repair.
What?
This contract provides limited repair or...
No. I'm a customer, create some value, don't read it to me.
Auto?
What?
Check this out, Mr. Customer.
No. What does cosmetic wheel repair do for me?
You're driving around and you ding your tire cosmetic.
How about we have a conversation that sounds something like this? Hey, Eric, we're going to provide you complimentary for the first 6 months cosmetic wheel repair. Now, let me explain what this does for you. Well, I'll ask you a question. Have you ever scraped a wheel on a curb, whether you were parallel parking, going through a fast food drive-through, or maybe a bank drive-through?
Me?
Yes.
No.
Do you know anybody that has?
Yeah, Javier.
Okay. Do you have any idea how much it costs to get those wheels fixed when that happens?
A lot of money.
Well, it's not a lot. It's maybe $100 to $200 depending upon the severity of the damage. However, if you don't get them fixed, it ends up devaluing your vehicle when you go to trade or sell it. What we're going to do for you in the first 6 months is because you've never scraped a wheel, the law of averages are now working against you, and chances are you probably will in the near future. If you do scrape that wheel, we're going to fix it at no cost to you. We'll do that an unlimited number of times. If you plan on keeping the vehicle for longer than 6 months, Eric, make sure you check with one of our finance managers. They'll show you how to extend that coverage out to maybe even 5 years. Okay? This is how you have to communicate these things. Is it right?